Project is a door lock, and we're supposed to use a color sensor that reads a sequence to turn a servo to unlock the door. What we at first did, we hooked up the color sensor to read RGB sequences of green, red, and blue. The green we found when we changed it from the RGB scheme to a simpler form of 1, 2, 3. The green was not working at all, so we changed the sequence to just red, blue, and red. And
we also figured out that when we hook it all up and try to pull it the way we had with how much time we had left, the servo wasn't strong enough to pull it the way we wanted it to, and we didn't have time to hook it up a different way to make it pull it. But we do have it to where we can make it turn the servo still if you put the code in at the same way. It still turns the servo, and if the servo is strong enough, we'd be able to unlock the door and then be able to open it and close it.
So that's really cool. I think that, I mean, people that were in our class know what you're doing because you've been working all semester. But for those people that weren't, for Mrs. Flynn's class, like, where is this application? Like, what are we looking at here? This door. What is this supposed to represent?
As in what?
Like a hotel room or that kind of thing. Wasn't that the idea?
Something for like higher security. Instead of just either doing a number lock or anything, you can do a certain sequence of colors instead of that, and then it's a lot harder to be able to trace just for a regular sequence.
So your card wouldn't be like wouldn't have a magnetic strip on it. It would have what?
Just, it'd be kind of like a blank color card, and you could swipe the card through and it'd read the card, and you can swipe them in an order, or depending on where the cards are at. Say you could put like one square on each of the middle of the cards, and as you swipe it through, it reads all three.
Okay. And what did you held up those papers and you kind of flicked your wrist around? What tell us what you were doing there. I'm not sure everybody got that.
So it reads it each time as a 1, 2, or 3, and we can show it on the computer at the same time if you go into here. And when I read it red, it reads a 1. And since we took out the 2 because the green doesn't work, when you put blue in, it reads 3. And when you put it on the red, it also reads unlock after you do the sequence, and it turns to servo.